Human beings are leaving a strong impact on nature with certain activities such as deforestation, burning fossil fuels, intensive agriculture and livestock, and industries that emit greenhouse gases. We're also creating a negative impact on our planet when it comes to our waste. In this The Daily Eco video, we're going to explain the concept of garbage and its consequences. We'll also dive into some ideas on how to improve the current situation. What is garbage? Garbage is all the waste that is generated by humans and then dumped into nature, altering the balance and the functions of the ecosystems. This is a big issue for the humankind, as without a healthy planet, our species cannot survive in the long run. Consequences of garbage. These are some of the consequences of our actions when it comes to our current waste system. All seas, lakes, and rivers are negatively affected. Marine animals and waterfowl mistake the waste we dump in the oceans for food. The ingestion of these residues can cause them to die. And even if they do survive, the residues they ingested will contaminate the animal that preys on them, and so forth with the natural food chain. As humans feed on salmon, tuna, etc., will also be affected. Trash not only threatens marine animals, but it's also a danger to all the fauna and flora that are part of the different ecosystems around the world. Our waste generates many forest fires. For example, badly extinguished cigarettes or glass containers that are exposed to the sun are known to be an issue. Garbage dumped on streets and on rural roads can end up clogging drains and can lead to flooding. Volunteering to collect waste. There are many projects that are carried out by different entities that work to collect garbage in nature. If you're interested in volunteering for this cause, we encourage you to research local projects near you. Improving our waste on the planet. Human waste is inevitable as long as humans live on the planet in such quantities, especially in the current economical and political system we live in now. The key to improving the current issue has more to do with how we live. Other than raising awareness and volunteering for certain projects, we need to change our way of life. Doing things such as participating in slow fashion, like thrifting or buying from ecologically responsible brands, etc., frugal or minimal living and recycling when possible are all great habits to incorporate into our lifestyle, helping decrease the amount of waste we produce and therefore decreasing our negative impact on the planet. Many environmental scientists are also thinking of ways we can dispose of our garbage without it negatively impacting the environment and the different ecosystems. This is a challenging project, but we hope to find the right one and apply it soon. Current data. It's hard for us to truly see the impact of our actions when we're living in the city and busy with work and personal affairs. However, we need to remember that this is a real issue due to our lifestyles. To help raise awareness, here is the current data on the impact of our waste. 80% of almost all marine litter comes from terrestrial environments. Of 1,400 marine and freshwater species affected, 17% of the species affected by garbage are part of the International Union for Conservation of Nature Red List of Threatened Species. 90% of seabirds have eaten plastic, and if they continue, the number would reach 99% in 2050. This information has been extracted from the SEO BirdLife website, the aforementioned NGO that seeks the participation and involvement of society to conserve biodiversity. This shows the clear need that exists to raise public awareness. We hope you found this video interesting. What are some of the things you do to help with the current waste conflict? Leave us a comment below. And share this video with your friends so we can continue to raise awareness of this topic. We'll see you next time.